it's Jeanette Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I get the easiest flexi rod out. I'm starting this flexi rod out on freshly washed hair, as I always do for my styles. And I deep condition with the new Camille Rose moisture treatment, and my hair feels so good. I'm going to section my hair into quadrants using my favorite rat tail comb, and I section my hair into fours just because doing any process to my hair is so much easier, and I can stay nice on track and focused when I'm styling my hair and on wash days. Doing this has helped me tremendously and making sure that I really take care of my hair the way that I should, and I don't miss any of my hair, or I don't apply too much product to one area and not enough of another area. Doing this just really ensures that I apply just the right amount to every area of my hair. As I've already mentioned, I am starting the style on freshly washed hair. I get this question asked a lot. If I just start the style on an old twist out or an old wash and go, I always start my styles fresh, just because I don't want any product built up in my hair, because it would not feel good. I always wash my hair every week to about every week and a half, and I always start my styles nice and fresh on clean hair. So I just will re-wet my hair with some water, just because it's gonna help the style to last a lot better. I start my styles on damp hair as well. I don't want my hair to be dry. I want my hair to be nice and wet, just because my hair will adhere to the roller a lot better. And I will be misting my hair with water with my mister bottle. I absolutely love the mister bottle, and I do use the LOC method just to keep my hair nice and moisturized and hydrated and healthy. I will be going in with the Shea Moistures Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Leave-In Conditioner, and it is absolutely amazing. I'm going to spray a good amount of this onto my hair, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Camille Rose Oud Rich Infusion Hair Oil, and I have been loving this oil a lot. It is very new. And then I'm just going to twist this section of hair up and clip it up, and we'll continue this process on the rest of my hair. Recently I've been applying the leave-in conditioner, and then I'll follow it up with the oil to help seal in all that nourishment and moisture in my hair. I'll twist that section up, and then I'll do the same process to the other 3 sections of hair. So I will apply the leave-in conditioner and then the oil, and when I'm actually ready to style that section, that's when I'll return back to it, and then I'll just apply the cream, I'll apply the mousse, the foam, the gel, any other styling products that I do have. I found that by doing this, my hair really responds better, just because it's had that time to allow that moisture to really penetrate into the hair strands, and it is not dry. So rather than before I apply the leave-in conditioner, the oil, the cream, or any other styling product to my hair at that time all in one, and then I did the same thing to the other 3 sections, I found that that wasn't really giving me the most optimal results that I wanted. And here are the flexi rods that I decided to get. I just wanted to show you a close-up of how flexible and bendable that they are, just because when doing your hair, you really want to make sure that you do secure the flexi rod, and the way that you do that is by bending it into shape, and it can bend very tightly. To start this style, I will be starting in the back of my hair first. It just makes more sense to me to do it this way, and I will be making a smaller subsection of hair for the first flexi rod. For my styling product, I will be using Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse, and I absolutely love this mousse just because I do get many of my favorite styles from using it, and also my styles last a lot longer. My hair is not weighed down. I know sometimes when I use a cream, my hair is not as defined as I want it to, or the style doesn't last as long, but when I do use this mousse, my hair is not only defined, but it also feels very soft. And I'm going to comb the mousse into my hair really, really well. That is one of the key factors of having a nice style. You want to make sure that all your products are worked in very well, and that your hair is not tangled at all. Just making sure that the products are nice and smooth into my hair before I apply my hair onto any rod, or I braid it, twist it, anything like that. Before styling my hair, I will make sure that the products are indeed smooth into my hair. I know I was talking over my demonstration, but for the next flexi rod, I will be telling you how I do it. I continue to comb my hair until it is nice and smooth. I want to make sure that all the products are worked in my hair very well and that the ends of my hair especially are nice and smooth. I'm going to keep combing my hair until it feels really good, that there's no tangles, that my hair is nice and smooth. And then I will be applying the ends of my hair onto the flexi rod, and just to ensure that the ends of my hair are on the flexi rod very well, I will roll the flexi rod up just a little bit, maybe 4 times, and then once I feel my hair is nice and taut on the flexi rod, I'll just continue to roll it up towards my roots. So I'm not twirling the flexi rod around, I'm not doing anything, I'm just rolling straight to my roots. And then once I'm at the roots, I will bend both ends of the flexi rod to secure the flexi rod in place. As I've already showed you, these flexi rods are very bendable, so as long as you tighten both ends of the flexi rods to your roots, it will stay nice and put, nice and secure. So I'm going to continue doing this process on the rest of my hair, and I will show you my process a few more times. Once all the flexi rods have been applied to my hair, here's how it looks. I will be air drying my hair and I will be sleeping on my satin pillowcase, of course. So it is now 2 days later. I didn't have anywhere to go. The following day I pretty much stayed home, so I didn't feel that it was a point in taking the flexi rods out. So I did wait 2 days later to take the flexi rods out. And another important factor that you want to remember is to make sure that your hair is pretty much dry. I'll say anywhere from 95% to 100% dry before you start to unravel your hair. And to take the flexi rods out, all I'm doing is unrolling my hair in the opposite direction. And after I have removed all the flexi rods, here's how my hair looks, and it feels so good. My scalp can finally breathe. So now I am going to go in with the Camille Rose Oud Rich Infusion Hair Oil. And as I've already mentioned, I really like this oil. I just rub it on my hair and also my scalp. Give a slight scalp massage just to help the blood circulate. And of course, I want some volume, so I'm going to separate each curl even further, about 4 to 5 times. All I'm doing is taking smaller sections of hair and separating it at the root where it naturally wants to separate, and just twirling the length of my hair around my finger, and I'll just continue doing this until all of my hair has been separated. And I can't stop there. I'm going to take my pick and just pick out the roots for a little bit more volume, but also to help with shape. I want my hair to have a nice round shape. From here, I'm just going to play with my hair just to see how I want to wear it. And I always go for a side part just because that's what I'm comfortable with. So I will be securing it with some bobby pins and the Cream of Nature Edge Control. Also, if I don't do this, my hair will get in my eyes, and I just do not like that. I want my hair to be out of my face, especially my eyes. So I'm just going to enhance this part with some bobby pins and edge control. And if I see any curls that are just a little bit bigger, I will separate them further just so that they go along with the overall look. And that's all I do for this nice flexi rod set. I absolutely love it. And if you enjoyed my tutorial, please give me a like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!